Assalamu alaikum. My name is Taimur and I study in first year, Bahria Foundation College. And today I will be presenting a presentation on the Pakistan Navy Day. Recruitment Directorate was established in 1980. We deal with the scarred task of inducting talented, energetic, and morally upright human resources for the service while ensuring transparency and merit in the selection recruitment of officers, sailors, and civilians to induct the best available human resource for the Pakistan Navy, remaining conscious of the unrepresented and unprivileged sections of the society. We operate 20 Pakistan Navy recruitment and selection centers nationwide. The Pakistan Navy was established on 14 August 1947 in the Naval Warfare Branch of the Pakistan Armed Forces. It is responsible for safeguarding Pakistan's 2,047-kilometer coastline, protecting sea trade routes, and defending the country's territorial waters. Its motto, Nisar Mein Teri Raahon Pe, reflects its spirit of sacrifice and commitment to the nation. Over the years, the Navy has grown into a modern force equipped with submarines, destroyers, fighters, missile boats, naval aviation, and special operations units such as the SSG and commanders. Pakistan Navy plays a vital role not only in defense but also in humanitarian and peacekeeping efforts, conducting search and rescue operations, disaster relief, and contributing to United Nations peace missions. It actively participates in anti-piracy operations and multinational task forces such as CTF 150 and CTF 151, while also engaging in joint exercises with navies worldwide. Pakistan Navy was established on 14 August 1947. Coinciding with Pakistan's independence, it originated from the division of the Royal Indian Navy. The Navy's history includes deployments during wars with India, particularly in 1965, 1970, and 1971. Its formation and early years were closely linked to the post-partition restructuring of armed forces in region. Now let's talk about the achievements that our Navy has achieved throughout the years. Firstly, on September 7th in 1965, the Pakistan Navy launched a successful assault on the Indian naval base at Dwarka, located 120 miles away from its own water. The operation, known as Somnath, involved 7 Pakistani warships: PNS Babar, Khyber, Badr, Jahangir, Alamgarh, Shah Jahan, and Tipu Sultan. INS Khurki. Pakistan Navy on Monday celebrated a day to commemorate the remarkable feat of submarine PNS Hunger, which defeated the enemy vessel during the 1971 Indo-Pak War on December 9. In the 1971 war, Pakistan Navy submarine PNS Hunger made history by sinking the Indian Navy's INS Khurki. This was the first submarine kill after World War II and remains a proud moment in our naval history. Our brave soldiers and Navy officers were honored by the CNS Navy Award ceremony. The naval staff, Naveed Ashraf, conferred awards of Sitara-e-Imtiaz, Military Tamga-e-Imtiaz, Military and Tamga-e-Basalat, and awards on naval personnel during an investiture ceremony held here on Friday at Bahria Auditorium. In our history of achievements, we cannot forget the recent achievement that our Pakistan Navy has achieved. On 4th December 2024, the Pakistan Navy conducted a successful test of a ballistic missile from ranging over 350 kilometers. It was a very big achievement for our Navy, and all over the worldwide news were on board. In the end, I want to say that the Pakistan Navy stands as a symbol of our strength, discipline, and unwavering commitment to our safeguarding our maritime frontiers and national interest. Pakistan Navy, the shield of our seas, the pride of our nation. Long live Pakistan.